We all know the mantra, pay your dues and graduate from college, and you'll enjoy a successful career. So for some, the goal is a bachelor's degree. There's an unspoken belief that the job market is just waiting for hordes of ambitious, eager young graduates to slide into high-paying jobs in the corner office. But statistics tell a different story. This is known as the skills gap. You must have the technical and employable skills industry requires in order to compete for jobs within your chosen career.
There are various defects which are associated with the concrete. Now let us target to understand so that while practicing the civil engineering at site we can prevent these defects. First is the segregation, the separation of constituents of concrete, that is separation of coarse aggregate from rest of the ingredients. So as we have already studied, concrete is a three-phase material. One is a paste phase, one is an aggregate phase, and the other is a transition zone. Now what happens in this particular defect, that aggregates tend to separate from its paste. Now due to this, the entire strength of the concrete is lost. Now let us understand why does it happen. When a concrete fall under the gravity with the height more than 1.5 meter, then due to the impact on the ground, the paste and the aggregate have different behavior, due to which the aggregate and the paste separate out. If the excess of vibration is done for the compaction, then also segregation take place. So if you are at site and you identify a concrete which is segregated, this too could be the most probable reason. And preventing these two reasons can help you to prevent the segregation. The another common disease or the defect to the concrete is bleeding. The accumulation of water on the surface after placement and compaction is known as bleeding. With water and cement also move on the surface, this formation of cement paste is known as the laitance. सो ब्लीडिंग के अंदर क्या होता है, जब कंक्रीट को हम प्लेस कर देते हैं, कॉम्पैक्ट कर देते हैं, तो कैपिलरी एक्शन की वजह से जो कंक्रीट के स्ट्रक्चर के अंदर वाटर एंड सीमेंट का पेस्ट है, इट स्टार्ट मूविंग टूवर्ड अपवर्ड्स. उससे क्या होता है, एट द बॉटम पार्ट ऑफ द कंक्रीट सीमेंट पेस्ट का रेशियो कम हो जाता है एंड एट द टॉप पार्ट अ लेयर ऑफ सीमेंट पेस्ट इज फॉर्म्ड. नाउ दिस लेयर ऑफ सीमेंट पेस्ट इज वेरी वीक. Now the wearing surface become very weak, prone to wear off and crack development. अब since जो ये top part और surface part concrete का only it's a paste of cement and sand, this become weak and it is then prone to wear off and crack development. This generally happen when there is a excess of water in a concrete. So these are the two major defects. To further understand, go through the visuals in the website module, so that you understand the accurate reason and to the greater depth.
Education is core to our economy. But in order to guide our educational systems and maximize future income, we must understand the misalignment between education and our work. The university degree is no longer the guaranteed path towards financial success as it was for previous generations. And even if you do earn one, that education alone may not be enough. In today's highly technical, knowledge-based economy, having hands-on skills and perfecting what you're good at can be more valuable than getting a degree in something simply to get one. Employers want to know what you can do and what you can do well, not just what degree hangs on your wall. Is career exploration. Understand the jobs available, the income ranges they pay, and evaluate the skills they require. Identifying is to align your interests and abilities with your first career choice and the education and training you'll need to receive. This alignment will help bring your future into focus and ensure your position at the top of the pay scale in your chosen career.